We're delving into the fascinating history of Roe v. Wade, a landmark case that forever changed the landscape of abortion rights in the United States. But before we dive in, if you enjoy this video and want to see more content like this, please give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to leave a comment down below. All right, let's get started. On January 22, 1973, the U.S. Supreme Court made history with its decision in Roe v. Wade. This groundbreaking case established a constitutional right to abortion in the United States, setting off a chain of events that shaped the ongoing debate surrounding reproductive rights. The case originated when a woman named Norma McCorvey, using the pseudonym Jane Roe, filed a lawsuit against Henry Wade, the district attorney of Dallas County, Texas, challenging the constitutionality of the state's abortion laws. Ultimately, the Supreme Court ruled in favor of Roe, forever changing the course of history and sparking a nationwide conversation. Before Roe v. Wade, abortion was mostly illegal in the United States, except in cases where the life of the mother was at risk. The decision struck down numerous state laws that banned or severely restricted abortion, asserting that a woman's right to privacy, protected by the Due Process Clause of the 14th Amendment, encompassed her decision to have an abortion. However, it's essential to note that the court recognized that this right to privacy was not absolute and had to be balanced against the government's interests in protecting women's health and prenatal life. In its decision, the court established a framework for regulating abortion based on the stages of pregnancy. During the first trimester, the decision held that the state could not impose significant regulations on abortion. In the second trimester, the state could regulate abortion to protect the mother's health. Finally, in the third trimester, the state could ban abortion except when necessary to protect the life or health of the mother. This framework aimed to strike a delicate balance between a woman's right to choose and the state's interest in safeguarding maternal health and prenatal life. The ruling in Roe v. Wade ignited a fierce and ongoing debate about abortion rights in the United States. It prompted a reevaluation of laws nationwide, with supporters and opponents passionately voicing their opinions. It's worth mentioning that subsequent court decisions have modified and clarified the scope of Roe v. Wade. In 1992, the Supreme Court case Planned Parenthood v. Casey reaffirmed the central holding of Roe, but introduced a new legal standard known as the undue burden test. This standard allowed states to impose certain restrictions on abortion as long as they did not create an undue burden on a woman's right to access abortion. This pivotal decision upheld the core principle of Roe v. Wade, while providing states with more flexibility in regulating abortion. Fast forward to 2022, when the case Dobbs v. Jackson Women's Health Organization sent shockwaves through the nation. The Supreme Court upheld a Mississippi law that banned most abortions after 15 weeks of pregnancy, effectively overturning Roe v. Wade. On June 24, 2022, the court declared that there was no longer a federal constitutional right to an abortion, marking a significant departure from the landmark 1973 ruling that had legalized abortion nationwide. The overturning of Roe v. Wade in 2022 set the stage for intense debates and legal battles surrounding abortion rights. Many states swiftly enacted stricter regulations and limitations on abortion, leading to concerns among advocates for reproductive rights. Abortion clinics faced closures in states where these restrictive laws were implemented, severely limiting access to abortion services for countless individuals. Patients seeking abortions were forced to navigate new obstacles and travel to neighboring states where abortion remained legal. This decision sparked widespread protests and advocacy efforts on both sides of the debate. Supporters of abortion rights rallied to protect and expand access to safe and legal abortion services, while opponents celebrated the decision and pushed for further restrictions on the procedure. The history of Roe v. Wade is still unfolding, and its implications continue to shape the landscape of abortion rights in the United States. Ongoing legal challenges, legislative actions, and advocacy efforts will undoubtedly play a crucial role in determining the future of abortion rights and access in our country. Thank you for joining us today as we explored the captivating history of Roe v. Wade. If you found this video informative and thought-provoking, hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, share this video with others, and leave a comment down below. Your engagement helps us bring you more captivating content like this. This is Bite Size Politics signing off.